Welcome back students. Today I'll be teaching you a new Scratch program based upon animating different alphabets as you could see on your screen. So I have used three alphabets and all three alphabets are showing three different kind of animations. Basically these all three alphabets are different sprites. So now I'll be teaching you how to do this kind of animation. So step by step I'll be telling you. Okay, now we are back in our main programming screen. So first of all, I have to take new sprites. So I'll just cross it. As you know, I have to click here, choose a sprite, and then I'll click upon this. And here, I'll just select letters. This is the letters. I'll click upon letters. And here you could see different kind of letters. So I'll take any letters. Suppose I'll take my name. So first of all I'm taking K. Okay, so this is my first sprite. Now I'll take a new sprite. Again letters, and from the letter second sprite. This is my second sprite. Yes, manually I can fix them. Okay, like this. And then I can add my third sprite. Again the same process, letters, and then the third letter. Okay, so now I have all three letters. Now I have to do coding. So what I have to do now? So firstly I have to go to my events, and then from here and click, you know very well. Then I want to loop some commands, and for that I need to go to control block, and from control block forever command I need. It is a loop command. So I'll drag it, because what does this loop command does forever, that means whatever the commands are inside this, it will keep on moving, it will keep on executing. So I'll place the commands here. Firstly I have to go to looks. Okay, then here is one change. I'll search for this command, change. Yes, to give the same kind of effect I'll select here change ghost. What does this command does? Actually either it hides the object or unhide the object. Okay, so directly I'll use here 100. Okay, and then again I have to bring it back. So I'll duplicate, and here I'll type -100, and then along with this I want to turn it also. So I'll go to motion, turn. Suppose here I am typing 30 degrees. Okay, so if I'll be using this command, some other commands are also needed. I'll put turn in between. Now these commands I have used for glow. Actually the animation which I have showed, that should be on K. So what I'll do, I'll just to copy these commands in my K sprite, I'll drag it and just drop it on K like this. So my K is also having the same kind of commands, and on P I don't need this, so I have just removed the commands. I just want to check first K only. Some other commands are also needed, but just now we'll check anything happens or not. Okay, so I'll run this. So it's rotating but nothing is happening because I can't see the ghost effect. Okay, so what I have to do, I have to wait. I have to put wait command in between. Then wait command is here. I'll put wait command here. Okay, suppose 0.5 second, and after this, when the change ghost effect is there, turning, and then again change ghost effect is there, in between also I need that wait command. So I'll put 0.5 here also. Let's run this. Okay, so now it's working. Now the change color command is left. In looks I'll go, then change color effect here. Now I'll run this command. Okay, so you could see what the effect I have shown you earlier, it's coming on K. Now I want to use glow, the second one, A. On A I want to use my commands. Then here what I have to do, some commands are same only, so I'll copy the same commands here on A sprite. So I'll drag it like this and I'll drop it on A. So now I'll go to A command. So I'll do the changes here only, so that my time will be saved. Okay, so rest of the commands are same. I'll just put these commands out. I don't need this wait command. From here also I don't need wait command. I'll just delete these commands. Now here I want to change from ghost to mosaic effect. Okay, and I'll type here 30. Then again here also mosaic effect by -30, and then I'll just see if I'll run this. Okay, it's not showing, so I have to use wait command here also, because what does the wait command does, it waits for certain effect to show. So again I have to show wait command in between these mosaic. So here I have shown 1 second. Let's see. Okay, one effect so it is showing. I have to show other effect also. So one more second I'll increase. Under control, After this second mosaic command, again I have to click on wait command. Just see, these are the commands. Now because one mosaic effect, then it is waiting for 1 second to show, then again mosaic effect, and again it is waiting for 1 second to show. Now I'll run this. So our second effect is also alright. Now I have to turn towards my third effect. I hope both the effects are very much clear to you. Now coming to the third effect. So I'll go to third P. Already some commands are available here. Here I don't need ghost command. This will be very simple. I'll just click on color, and here I'll type 25. So these commands are something like this. Okay, now let's see. It seems it is rotating very fast. Let it be 15. Then I'll run it. So I hope it is very much clear that how I've used different commands to animate different alphabets. So dear students, I hope you'll be happy to learn this animation, and you'll be able to animate the letters of your name. It can be any letters, only due to the screen I have only used the 3 letters. It depends upon your choice how many letters you need to use. Okay, still if any problem you are facing, you can comment. So I am finishing my tutorial here only. Till then, bye.